Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important question based on the theorem which we discussed in previous class, and we take and solve some important NCERT questions related to that topic. Now in that class we also take and solve some important questions related to that topic, that theorem, and complete that topic. Okay. Now then after completing that topic and questions related to that theorems, previous theorems, then after we start the cyclic quadrilateral. So first, in today's class we take some important questions related to previous theorems. Let's see the first question. And the question is, this is the one of the most important question related to the theorem कि the angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is double the angle subtended by it at any remaining part of the circles. So let's see some important questions based on the same topic, same theorems. Okay. Now look, in the given figure, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle, and the measure of arc and the measure of arc ABC, measure of arc ABC, measure of arc ABC is 100 degree. Is 100 degree. Find angle ADC and angle ABC. Look, and your figure is, this is a circle with center O. This is A, B, this is C. Okay. Now look, this is join. Okay. And our point D is any other part of the circle, the circumference of the circle. Now here AO, ABC. Here the center of the circle and the measure of arc ABC is 100 degree. This is what? 100 degree. Now let's see its solution. Dear students, from figure it is clear that angle AOC is given as what? 100 degree. And we find angle ADC, we find that angle, as well as ABC, we find that angle. Okay. Find angle ADC and angle ABC. Okay. We find angle ADC and angle ABC. Okay. Now look its solution. So dear student, we know that we mention that statement ki we know that by theorem कि the angle subtended by an arc means angle AOC is 2 times, this is the double the angle subtended by that arc at any remaining part of the circle, means ADC. Okay, mean angle ADC. So from there, dear friends, from there we find angle ADC. So from so in this way angle ADC is equal to what? Half of angle AOC. Now we put the value of angle AOC is 100. So angle ADC is equal to 1/2 into angle AOC is what? 100. So 2 5s are 10, 0. So in this way angle ADC is what? 50 degree. Angle ADC is what? 50t. So this is one of the one answer of that question. Now this is one answer. Now dear students, we find angle ABC. Now look what I do for that. Dear students, here if suppose that the if we take arc this, then angle subtended by that arc means this is a reflex of angle AOC is 2 times the angle ABC. Means again from figure angle reflex of angle AOC, reflex of angle AOC is equal to 2 times angle ABC. So angle ABC is equal to, which we find here, angle ABC is equal to, that is angle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 and reflex of angle AOC. Reflex of angle AOC. Now from there we put, look, to angle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 reflex of angle AOC. Reflex of angle AOC means what? 260. 260 because of 360 minus 100 is what? 260. To 2 on the 2, 2 3 is 6, 0. So angle ABC is what? 130 degree. This is the another answer. Okay. So dear student, this is the method to solve that type of question. Dear student, these are the very important, very important questions related to your topic, your theorem. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you complete your NCERT exercise related to that topics. Okay dear students, now we take and solve some other important question based on these theorems, because of these are the very important and interesting chapter of your syllabus. Let's see. Now we take and solve some other important questions related to that chapter. Look, in the given figure, the angle subtended by RBCD, the angle subtended by RBCD at the center is 140 degree. Okay, BC is produced to be P. Find angle BAD and angle DCB. Find angle BAD and angle BCD, and your figure is, look, this is a circle with center O here, B, C, D, A. Okay, and we just join, look this, and BC produced to P. This is C, BC produced to P. Okay, now this is 140 degree. Okay, we find angle BAD, that angle which we find, and angle DCB, that angle we find. Okay, so look, these are the question which is very important related to your syllabus topic. Let's see its solution. From figure it is clear that look, the angle subtended by an arc BCD, this one, the angle subtended by an arc BCD is what? 2 times the angle subtended by it at any remaining part of the circle, means angle BAD. So from figure it is clear that angle angle BOD, okay, angle BOD is equal to 2 times angle BAD. So from there angle BAD is equal to 1 upon 2 of angle BOD, angle BOD. Now here angle BOD is what? 140 degree. So angle BAD is equal to 1 upon 2 into 140, 140. So 2 7s are 0. Angle BAD is equal to 70 degree. This is the first answer. So in this way we find angle BAD. Now we also find angle BCD. So angle BCD. So angle BCD is what? From figure DCB. We also find DCB, na? So this is the P. We find angle DCB. We find that angle. Okay. So we take this is the arc. So angle subtended by this arc at the center is 2 times the angle subtended by that at any remaining part of the circle. Means angle DCB. No, first of all we take reflex of angle DOB. Reflex of angle DOB or BOD as you is equal to 2 times angle DCB, angle DCB. Okay, so first of all reflex of angle DOB is what? Reflex of angle DOC is what? Reflex of angle BOD or DOB is what? 360 minus 140. So 0 to 2, 220. So now from there angle DCB is equal to 1 upon 2 into reflex of angle DOB. So now we put the values in that expression. So we get what? We get as angle DCB is equal to 1 upon 2 into 220, 110. So the value of angle DCB is equal to 110 degree. So this is the another one, another answer. Okay, so dear student, so in this way you can solve that type of questions, because of these are very important question related to your theorem, and these are very important. These questions are very important for you and your upcoming examination. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you complete your NCERT exercise, okay, related to that topic. Then after we discuss about the cyclic quadrilateral, which is very important topic related to your chapter circle. Okay, so now, so in this way you can solve that type of question. Just now we take and solve some other important question related to that topic. Let's see. we take some important question, and your question is find the value of x. Find the values of x in the following figures. Following figure. Okay, now find the value of x in the following figure. And the figures are first one is what? This is a circle. This is A, B, C, D. Okay, join AC and BD and BD and BC also, and this is the value of x. This is 35 degree. This is 65 degree. Second one is what? The second figure is what? This is a circle. Okay. Here A, B. Here this is C. This is D. Okay. We join this. We join BD and AC. Okay. Now intersect each other at point P. So this is 110 degree. This is X. This is 40 degree. This is 40 degree. Okay. Now look. So this is the question. Now first of all we take two part of this question, and first of all we take the first part and solve it. So dear student, in first part of this question we solving first part. Look, now we just know that the angle in the same segment, to write in this way, we know that the angle in the same segment are equal. Angle in the same segment are equal. That theorem is always discussed in previous classes. Now look here, if this we consider arc BC, then according to that concept, so angle BAC and angle BDC, that angles form on the same segment, that is angle BAC is same as angle BDC, because of these are the angle in the same segment which are equal to each other. So from there angle BDC is equal to what? Angle BDC is equal to what? 35 degree. This is equal to this. This is also 35 degree. Now we take triangle BDC. Now we take triangle BDC, and in triangle BDC we apply the angle sum property of the triangle. So in triangle BDC, so angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, so we put all the values. Angle B is what? 65. Angle C is X, which we find. Angle D is what? Is equal to 180. So from there we get 65, 35, 100. 100 plus X is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. So this is the answer related to that. So this, in this way, for the first figure, the value of X is what? 80 degree. The value of X is what? 80 degree. Okay, so this is the very important question of your syllabus. Now similarly dear student, using that concept we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see. Now let's see the second part of this question. Look, first of all, looking the figure very carefully. If we observe that figure very careful, then it is observed. We find that this is arc AD, and the angle subtended by them on the circle is BABD and ACD. These are the angle on the same segment. Angle on the angle in the same segment. So since we know that, since from figure it is clear that angle ABD is same as angle ACD. This is the angle in the same angle in the same segment. Angle in the same segment are equal to each other. So ABD is same as angle ACD. That is angle ACD is, or says that 40 degree. Angle ACD we also write angle PCD. This is, or we can write angle PCD is also equal to 40 degree. Now dear student, in triangle PCD, now in triangle PCD we apply using angle sum property. Using angle sum property of the triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle, that is means angle PCD plus angle CPD plus X means angle PDC is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to what? 180 degree. Now from there we put angle PCD as what? This is 40 plus angle CPD is what? 110 plus this is X is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now from there look here, 110 or 40, 150 plus X is equal to 180. So from there to X is equal to 180 plus transfer that side minus 150. So the value of X is 30 degree. Thus X is equal to 180 minus 150 is what? 130 degree. Sorry, only 30 degree. So in this way, you can solve that type of question. This is the questions based on the previous theorem which we discussed already in previous classes. Thus, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. These are the very important question related to your syllabus. Now we take some other important question related to your exercise. Okay, let's see. Now we take and solve now find the value of X in the given figure. Okay, in the given figure. Look, and your figure is, dear friends, this is a circle, OA center, this is A, this is B, okay, OA, OB, AB, this is C here, this is the value of X, and this is the value of 35 degree. Okay, so this is the question here, which is the very important question of your syllabus. Now look what I do, dear friend, let's see its solution. Since you know that the angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is 2 doubles the angle subtended by 8 at any remaining part of the circle. Now look, so angle we take RKB, we take consider RKB, then this is the arc angle AOB. So from figure it is clear that angle AOB 2 times into angle ACB, 2 times angle ACB, okay, and angle ACB is X, 2 into X, that is X is equal to angle AOB upon 2. Take equation number 1. It means that the value of X is what? Half of angle AOB. So first of all we find angle AOB. For that look at this. Now we take triangle AOB. Now in triangle AOB, OA is equal to OB because of each equal to radius R. You know that na ki here OA is equal to OB, each equal to radius R, and we know that is angle OAB is same as angle OBA because of angle opposite to equal side. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. This is the property. The angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So from there OAB is 13, so angle OBA is also equal to 35. Now in that question we apply the angle sum property. So this is 35 plus reflex of angle AOB is equal to what? 180 degree. Now this is 70 plus reflex of angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Now from there reflex of angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 70. So that is, this is equal to 180 minus 70 is what? 110. So that angle is what? Then reflex of angle AOB is what? 360 minus 110, that is what? 250 degree. So that angle is 250 degree. Now we put the value of angle AOB is in equation 1. Thus from 1, x is equal to 250 upon 2 to the 4 to 5 the 10. So x, the value of x is what? 125 degree. This is the required solution. So the value of x is what? 125 degree. Okay, so this is the very important question related to your syllabus. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, after that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now in next class we take and solve some other important question based on this theorem. Okay, now thanks to all.